Alright, let's look at this algebra question over here. What we are given is that the cost of a PDA phone, right, is twice the cost of a camera phone. The total cost of 3 PDA phones and 2 camera phones is $2,040. Find the cost of 1 PDA phone. Alright, to approach this type of questions, what we first need to do is to assign one of these unknown values to be represented by a variable. Alright, so what we can do is, since we know that the cost of a camera phone is unknown, the cost of a PDA phone is also unknown, but there is a relationship between the two, correct? So I can use that and say that the cost of a camera phone be X dollars, which means the cost of the PDA phone, since it is twice, it will be 2x dollars. Alright, and that means that the cost of 3 PDA phones, which is 3 times 2x, plus the cost of 2 camera phones, which is 2 times x, will be equals to 2040. Alright, so 6x plus 2x is 2040, ax is 2040, which means that x, okay, is equals to 2040 divided by 8. Okay, 2040 divided by 8, which is 255. Alright, so the cost of 1 PDA phone, so this is X dollars, and X dollars represents the cost of a camera phone. Alright, so that means that the cost of the PDA phone is 2x, which is 2 times 255, alright, which will be equals to $510. Okay, so I hope this clears up this question. Alright, thank you. Bye.